Hi, this is your fabulous teacher explaining to you gram staining 101. I've tried to make it interesting, but because I'm in front of a camera, I've turned into an idiot. Okay, back to gram staining. You're going to start with a slide. You're going to take a sample from the bacteria. Hopefully you have already burned your inoculating loop and it's ready to go. As you remember, you're going to take a drop of water, small amount. Take your bacteria. Just get a tiny amount of bacteria. This is exactly like what you've already done 3 times or 4. Make sure you put it in the water till it gets a little bit cloudy, and then cover up your sample. And then we're going to go and do the fun stuff. Your partner can hold the bacteria for you until you get ready to cook it. Now, for those of you who really want to have fun, this is the old way to light a Bunsen burner. Isn't that fun? Whoever wants to do this. These are called flint lighters, and they're really cool. So we're going to cook the bacteria. Oops, I forgot my tongs. So we're going to fix the bacteria. Once again, whoa, the tongs were messed up. Once again, you're going to do the same thing you did in the basic bacteria staining. Up till this point, you've done this before. However, there is something new you need to do. And this is where it gets tricky. So let's fix the bacteria. Da-da-da-da-da. Having fun. Now remember, don't leave it too long on the flame or you are going to get soot on the bottom of your slide and they're going to turn brown and ugly, and then you're going to have a tough time finding them. So I have actually picked up Bacillus megaterium. You can use any of the bacilli that are up there. We have Subtilis, megaterium, and be serious. We have all 3 of those. You can use any of those. They should all work. So this is looking good. All right, we're ready. It's cooking. So I think they're done. So now we're going to go back to the staining stations, and you will see where this changes, how this differs. So moving back here. Now remember, this is hot. So we're going to set it down on the rack. And this, you have 4 steps. First step is crystal violet. You have used crystal violet before. You are going to put a drop of crystal violet on your specimen, and you're going to time it for 1 minute. Now, for time's sake, I'm going to not time it, but you need to make sure that you leave it on for a minute. After a minute, you're going to wash it off. Bathe that baby. After you bathe the baby, you're going to add the second substance, which is iodine. This is actually a mordant. A mordant is going to set the stain. You're going to put a drop of iodine on top of your specimen, and you're going to let this sit for 1 minute. So I don't have time to count for 1 minute, but we'll figure it out. So you're going to let this sit for 1 minute. Once it sits for 1 minute, then you're going to wash it off. Okay? Then you are going to decolorize it. This is the decolorizer. It is ethanol. It is 95% alcohol. This is the most important step. If you leave it on too long, you're going to decolorize everything and you won't have a good stain. So you're going to put a drop of this on, leave it maybe for no more than 30 seconds, boom, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you are going to rinse it off. Then you're ready for the 4th and final step. You're using another stain called safranin. This is called a reagent, and this is kind of a red color. So you're going to put a drop of this, and once again, this is going to, let's make sure that water's off of there. This you need to leave on for 1 minute also. Actually, you can leave this one on just a little bit longer. So, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. So you're going to count and make sure that you leave this on. That is very important to leave this on. I'm going to get a paper towel because you're going to blot this. But everything else after this is what you've done before. So basically, let's say we've left this on. So you're going to blot this very carefully. Not rub, blot. And then you're ready to put it under the microscope and see. Now, once again, you want to make sure that you start on low, go to medium, go to high, and then go to oil immersion. And really and truly, that's it. So the main thing is, and I wish I could be more entertaining. I could probably sing a song, but I can't think of a bacteria gram staining song right now. There's bound to be one out there. But just remember, 4 steps. A minute for step number 1, a minute for step number 2, a minute for crystal, lovely girl, and another minute for iodine. We're going to wash between each step. Decolorizer, not a minute, barely. And then wash and add your saffron in, okay? And then you're ready to blot. So basically that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my little lecture. It was fun. See you later. Bye.